Hello everyone, this is Zubair Ahmad Hashimi from MTA, Master Technology Academy. You're most welcome for today's episode. Most of the students are asking about how to know your processor or the computer processor generation. Let's check it out. And if you can, there are different types of different ways to know about your the processor of your processor of generation, which is belongs to your computer. And here, what you're just press Control Shift Escape in here. By pressing that button in here, you'll just see this button like this, and you have to just press the more details here, and after that go to performance. After that you can just press the first one and select this one, which is CPU. Let me just explain this one for you guys. As I mentioned before about this one, CPU stands for what? For mainly this CPU stands for using for processors, central processing unit. And Intel stands for what? It means Intel, it means the company. RS stands for register, it means Intel is a company which is already registered. Core is the service name, and here TM stands for trade market, and mean this one is available in a trade market, and this is a company which is trading or producing processors. And we have i7, which is the brand name of this one, and you can see this one here, it is available. Let me just press this one in that way and show this one. I will just explain it alphabet A is here. As you can see this one here, and I can as I mentioned before about this one is all i7 is the brand name, and after that we have 3 here, and the processor of the computer which I am just recording now here is the 3rd generation. It means this computer is the 3rd generation, using the 3rd generation processor. And after that we have 540, which is belongs to SKU, as I mentioned before about the previous lesson. And after that we have M stands for mobile. In here this machine is a laptop, I'm just recording on it. And after that we have what? We have 3 gigahertz, which is belongs to your clock speed. And the main thing for this processor is here. Let me just bring it back here, and after that go to performance. Here we have what we have here class. Let me just bring my tools. In here we have at the bottom of it we have the best speed, and we have the socket which is installed one processor on it. And after that we have this processor has double core, and after that we have what you have this processor is it has 4 logical processor, and my computer is already using I'm just installing the virtualization applications, and this processor is supporting the virtualization as well as here, which is shown in here enable. You can go to CMD and press enter, and after that you can just let me just zoom it for you, and in order to show it easily, press CLS and go to system info, and after that info and press enter. You will just check here the processor which has this functionality, hyperview requirement. This 3 or 4 button function must be enabled. Yes, if this one is not in your areas, and mean your computer supporting virtualization, but you have to enable it from BIOS of the computer, which is available on your computer. And if you would like to know about the number of the cores, which is here written here, you can see that this one has 2 cores, but totally it comes to multiplying by 2, or just 2 times 2 equals to 4 processors are available here. I will explain about the rest of them in a next presentation, next lesson, inshallah. I hope that you just learn how to know about the generation of your processor, the generation of processor of your computer. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.